Good morning and welcome back to the shipping container build. As you can see, it snowed again, even though it's nearly April, but I guess that's what you get for living on top of a mountain in the Catskills. Today, we are going to be building a lofted bed in the bedroom, but first, I wanted to show you some of the progress on projects that have been going on in the background. The first being our new roof. So when I built this roof here in between the bedroom and the kitchen containers, I realized that there was a much better, quicker, stronger way to build a roof in between two containers. But rather than chopping it all apart and starting from scratch, I figured I would just redeem myself on the next roof. So this roof I built with our friend Audie, who came to visit from Berlin, and it is way, way better. It took, I think, a day and a half, 2 days to build the entire thing, whereas this one took almost a week. So this area I'm thinking is going to be kind of like a fun zone. We got Max's swing, and then we also have a pull-up bar and a punching bag, because I realized doing construction work every day that I need to get significantly stronger if I want to do longer days building stuff. So that's what that stuff is for.
We good, huh?
Is that as high as it goes? So the project on the agenda for today is to build a lofted bed in the bedroom and basically get the bedroom fully finished so that it's livable. And then Freya and I can move up here and start testing it out before Max and Dana make their way up here, just to make sure everything works well. This is where the bedroom is at currently. That's the space for the lofted bed. And then over here, we have the wood burning stove and the gate for Max. So should be a really fun, easy project. I'm gonna fire up the wood burning stove because it's actually quite cold today, and then we can get into it. All right, so I got the bed level. As you can see from that line on the back wall, the container tilts quite a bit to the left down, but I think it will actually look fine. And I just wanted to show you now, this is kind of how I design things. So I bought these massive drawer slides. I think they're like 60-inch. They have like a weight capacity, I think, of like 500 pounds. And then this is the ladder I use for working. And I just want to see like what a staircase would look like and how far out the drawers would go. Basically, I just look at a ton of images on Pinterest of ideas, and now I'm going to sit here, drink a coffee, and just think about it for like an hour before I make any moves. But I feel like this is the most fun part, and it's nice to look at other people's images, but when I like actually get to the building phase, I kind of just want to like think and see if I can design something myself that is definitely like heavily based on those images, but is also kind of my own.
Wow, it's really cool.
Right?
Also, it's amazing because you're gonna be up here and then you're just gonna have an even better view.
The perfect view.
Yeah.
Minus these bars in the way.
What bars? Oh yeah, all of those. Never mind. Yeah.
These would go here.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Like that.
Then we can just Google what like crib distance is.
I'll just do the same as the gate.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why it looks so nice in here. It's so spacious because I gave that.
Oh no, if we can train Max not to go near the burning stove, it'll be much nicer.
Yeah, can we do hot?
Hot.
Hot!
Hot.
Hot, don't touch! Hot, don't touch!
So I'll show you now, this is how far out the drawer slides come.
Okay.
They're really nice.
Oh, wow. Those are some drawers.
So that's how big they are.
Massive.
Uh-huh. And I have enough that we could make 4 if we want.
Okay.
Or we could just do 2 huge ones. And then I'll build like internal
Yeah.
divisions inside them so you can like KonMari it.
What's the deal with Freya's bed and the nook?
That's like what I'm trying to decide now.
Okay.
Because if you are open to more of like a ladder staircase, if you're open to more of a ladder staircase, like this ladder, then this could all be open down there. Like there would be a wall here. So I'll show you this. Goes like
I see.
that. And then she could slip in through there. And
Oh.
all of that could be like a playpen.
For her or for her
both,
too?
yeah.
Yeah.
You know?
Like put her bed all the way to the back and then we could like.
Yeah.
It's
just like more floor space.
Can you hold him? I just want to stand on that ladder.
Oh, fuck. It's kind of annoying, right?
It's kind of annoying. Like that's dope.
That's a lot easier.
Yeah, I like that.
Because now you can sit, put your feet.
And you got a chair.
Yeah.
This room now has a chair.
Ay, la 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 la.
What do you think? There's like so much potential with that little nook to like, we could do a curtain, we could do a puppet show, like.
Yeah.
Are you so strong? Bah, bah, bah. Check out the update on the bedroom container. And oh my, Lou! Holy moly.
Holy moly guacamole.
This is so good! Max! Oh yeah, I'm gonna step on the boxes.
Yeah.
Bob!
And that door opens.
Oh, wait. So you ended up doing hinges?
Uh-huh.
Not
No.
slide.
I wanted it to be quiet.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can I go in?
Of course. Everything's done.
What? Yay! Ooh, you found a wood. Ah, boop, boop. Yeah, that's the camera. This is so nice. Lou, you really outdid yourself.
Pretty cool, huh? There we go. Oh, down she goes.
Oh gosh. It's strange. At first I was worried that putting something like so large in the space, which is a very small room, would make it feel smaller, but it actually does the complete opposite. I don't know if you can feel that, but it makes it feel bigger in here. Ah, Lou, you did a really good job. Really, really good. Let's sit down for a second. Oh, wow. Honestly, even the steps are kind of a comfy chair. For a room without a chair, I could get used to this. A nice vantage point, looking out the windows. The windows really make this space so special. And then you can see here, so much of Lou's hard work. You got the roof, welded in windows, all set up. Lou told me today that he thinks by Max's birthday, May 17th, we're gonna be in. I'm telling myself mid-June just because, like, it's nice to give room in case something goes wrong, but May 17th is so soon. It's not a lot of times that I don't know what to say, but I honestly am just so calm in this room. Lou and Max are out walking around looking at stuff. We've got a ton of frogs making crazy noises right now, which is very exciting. And exciting for Max. I don't know how exciting it is for me. But this is like the best nook ever. I can see us just sitting up here, snuggling up in the corner, crawling back here. Even when he's like a bit older and like snuggled up, reading books. Like, it actually is such a nice nook. And nooks, I think, are the nicest places anyway to spend your time. Like, ooh. When I think about our time in the van, like, that time was so cozy because the van had that little raised bed in the nook. And yeah, it was annoying in a van because, like, we had no other space. But here we have all of this amazing outdoor space. We'll have the kitchen container. So to make this bedroom, like, feel like a nice nook, and even Freya's bed, like, chamber kind of thing, has another potential for creating just, like, special little moments inside the containers. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's like when you're designing something in a small space, you don't want to lose out on having different spots, especially as a mom. Like, moving locations, even just moving rooms, moving spots in the room can be like the whole play time has like been reset in a good way. So it's like, I can imagine us like coming up here, having a little story time, and then going down there. Maybe Max plays with blocks while I knit. And then it's like, oh, then we get bored of that 10 minutes later. Oh, let's go run around outside. But having all the different little spots to make memories is actually really, really helpful. Lou, you really outdid yourself with this one. The boxes are so sturdy walking down. Actually, I'm gonna do it one more time. Like, what? So sturdy. Really love my life up here so much. And we're so soon gonna be here. Like, it's April, and he thinks by May, which is really fun. Grab my stuff. Also, it's so nice out right now. I'm like warm in this sweater. It just gives me hope that spring is on its way.
rubbish. So what we're thinking is keeping these two boxes the way they are for now, and then potentially in the future adapting it if we want to have a staircase that Max can climb up and down. This area over here is where Freya's dog bed is going to go. And then in the back, we could do some open storage if we want, and it could potentially be like a fun play area for Max. So it's kind of just like a flexible space that we wanted to keep open. The plywood on here is just temporary. There's going to be one massive drawer, two massive drawers, three, and then a fourth one behind the boxes that you'll have to move the boxes if you want to access that one. But 3 enormous drawers, I think, is actually quite a lot more than we're used to in these weird little tiny house situations. So I think it has a lot of potential.
We are here enjoying Lou's new bed. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Right, Max? It's just the most fun ever. But Max clearly wants to say hi to you, but we've been playing up in the new spot for the last half hour. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. You want to say hi? Max is clearly one for the camera. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hi. We're an obsession with smartphones and cameras right now, but there's Max's potty. It's just the best. It literally makes this place so good. I really like these as chairs too. Like, this is like a cozy spot to sit.
Yeah.
And I can just like perch here and hang out. I can envision us like putting his paintings up on this little wall, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I just want to take a second and say thank you so much for all of your support on the shipping container project. It's been so incredible to get to build up here on our own land and start making our own dream home. And honestly, we couldn't do it without you. And it just, I don't know, it wouldn't be the same, honestly, if we weren't making these videos and sharing the process and getting to have like the homestead that's our space also be your space too, if that makes sense. It's just, it feels like such a special thing to get to share our days and our construction and our growing son and Freya and all of that with you each week. And I also just wanted to say an extra thank you to our Patreon family, getting to experience a little behind the scenes moments and ask you if you think the lofted bed is good or if we should put where we should put our blueberry bushes, and just feel like all these like-minded people are coming together and getting to do this project. Like, it just makes it so much bigger than if it was just our little family. So thank you for that. And we're looking forward to sharing more soon and moving into these containers one day. But I hope that you're having a beautiful day, and we'll see you next week.